Okay, folks, what's going on? Um, our goals for today is to be able to determine what makes a wave go faster or slower. For the agenda today, we're going to try to complete the wave race lab. Um, so you can open that wave race lab in Notability. You're going to complete the assignment and submit the assignment to Schoology. Um, so this is what the wave race lab looks like when you open it up. Again, we're going to be using that PhET simulator, waves on a string. So this should look pretty similar to yesterday. All right, so the first thing we're going to be dealing with on here is amplitude, and we're going to try to determine whether amplitude affects the speed of a wave. So the first thing you should do is select the pulse circle in the upper left-hand corner. So we're going to go to pulse. Then you want to select the slow motion circle in the middle of the screen. Slow motion. That's just going to make it easier to time. And then last, you're going to select the timer. And that's over here. So just select timer. Okay. And so then next up, we're going to set the damping to none. So we don't want there to be any damping. We're going to set the amplitude to 0.35 centimeters. We're going to set the pulse width to 0.35 seconds. And then we're going to set the tension to low. Okay, I'm going to read the next few directions together. It says press the green button to create a wave, then use the timer to measure how long it takes for the wave to get from one end to the other in the data table below. So we're going to start the wave, then we're going to start the timer, we're going to time how long it takes the wave to get to the end, and then we'll write down the time in this little box here. So let's give that a try. So we're going to start the wave and then immediately start the timer. And we'll watch the wave go down. When the wave hits the end here, we will pause. So we can see the timer's at about 5.7 seconds when the wave got to the end. So then we'll write that down in our data table. So we'll write that down in our data table. 0.7 seconds. Okay. Next we will change the amplitude to 9.5 centimeters. And then we'll click restart, and then we'll run it again. So we're going to change our amplitude to 0.95 centimeters. We're going to restart this lab. We're going to restart our timer, and then we'll run it again. So I'm going to hit play here. We're going to try to stop it right when it hits the end here. We got 5.67. Let's write that in here. 5.67 seconds. And so now answer the question, as amplitude increases, what do we know about the wave speed? Is the wave speed slower, faster, or about the same? Go ahead and write your answer below right here.